Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this following video I'm going to be showing you how you can apply for the credit card of TD Bank. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First thing first, you need to open up your web browser. So you can use any web browser that is convenient for you, and once you open up your web browser, on the search box you need to type in www.td.com, and I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box below. After you type in the link, next interface will be directed to the official site. And on this page, first of all, you need to make sure that you've already selected personal right on top, and after that you need to click on product. And once you click on products, you can see there is a drop down menu, and from the menu you need to click on credit card. As you tap on credit card, next interface will be directed to the page where you'll be able to apply, or where you'll be able to see the details of your card. Since we are applying for the credit card, then what you need to do is you need to click on apply below, and on this page you need to select the type of card that you want to apply for. You can see you have a multiple options, so then you can go through it and then select the card accordingly. Now once you're done selecting the card, all you need to do is just tap on apply now, and it will also indicate that you have selected this particular card. And after that you can see right on top there's a pop-up. Now in case if you are already a customer, then you need to click on yes, and in case if you're new to TD Bank, then you need to click on no. And then first of all you need to create an account on the TD Bank, and then you'll be eligible to apply for the TD Bank credit card. Since I already have an account, so I need to click on yes. So once you do that, you need to sign in into your TD Bank account using your username and the password. So once you sign in into your account, next interface will be directed to the page where you'll be able to apply for the credit card. So right on that page, all you need to do is just click on apply now, and then provide some detail or the personal detail. And once you're done entering your personal information, next page you'll need to enter your billing address. And once you're done entering the billing address, tap on submit. And after that you'll be receiving a confirmation saying that the request for credit card has been submitted, and within 5 to 10 days you'll be able to receive your credit card. And after you receive a credit card, you also need to activate it, and after activating your credit card you'll be able to use it, and it is all set. So that is how you can apply for the TD Bank credit card on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.